How to clean mouse droppings from carpet tips. In this article I will go over how to clean mouse droppings from carpet. Mouse droppings on your carpet can be both unattractive and unhygienic. Whether you're managing a minor issue or a more significant infestation, it's pivotal to resolve the issue instantly and effectively. In this article, we'll investigate a variety of 10 different methods to clean mouse droppings from your carpet, furnishing you with an extensive arrangement of choices to browse. Method 1. Using disposable gloves and paper towels. This straightforward method is suitable for small, localized areas with limited mouse droppings. Supplies needed: disposable gloves, paper towels, sealable plastic bag, mild disinfectant or cleaning solution, broom and dustpan. Process: wear disposable gloves to safeguard your hands. Gently pick up the droppings using a paper towel. Carefully place the used paper towel into a sealable plastic bag. Use a broom and dustpan to sweep up the remaining debris. Clean the area with a mild disinfectant or cleaning solution. Method 2. Homemade cleaning solution. Create a homemade solution to break down and sanitize the affected area. Supplies needed: white vinegar, baking soda, warm water, spray bottle, clean cloth or sponge. Process: in a spray bottle, combine white vinegar and the warm water in equal parts. Cover the affected area with baking soda. Spray the vinegar and water solution onto the baking soda until it foams. Gently scrub the area using a clean cloth or sponge. After letting the solution sit for a while, wipe it with a dry cloth. Method 3. Commercial enzymatic cleaners. Enzymatic cleaners effectively break down organic matter, including mouse droppings. Supplies needed: enzymatic cleaner, clean cloth or paper towels. Process: follow the manufacturer's instructions to mix the enzymatic cleaner. Apply the enzymatic cleaner to the affected area. Gently blot the area with a clean cloth or paper towel. Let it air dry completely. Method 4. Steam cleaning. Ideal for larger areas or persistent issues, steam cleaning provides a deep and thorough process. Supplies needed: steam cleaner, water, vacuum cleaner, clean towels. Process: fill the steam cleaner with water as per the manufacturer's instructions. Steam clean the affected area, following the machine's guidelines. Use a vacuum cleaner to extract excess moisture and debris. Pat the area dry with clean towels. Method 5. Hydrogen peroxide solution. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective disinfectant that can help break down and sanitize mouse droppings. Supplies needed: hydrogen peroxide, clean cloth or sponge. Process: wear gloves to safeguard your hands. Dampen a clean cloth or sponge with hydrogen peroxide. Gently scrub the affected area. Wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Allow the area to air dry. Method 6. Baking soda and essential oils. Baking soda combined with essential oils can help neutralize odors and clean the affected area. Supplies needed: baking soda, essential oils, clean cloth or sponge. Process: mix baking soda with a few drops of essential oil. Sprinkle the mixture over the affected area. Let it settle down for a few hours. Gently scrub the area with a clean cloth or sponge. Vacuum the area to remove excess baking soda. Method 7. Cornstarch absorbent technique. Cornstarch is an absorbent material that can help lift and remove mouse droppings. Supplies needed: cornstarch, clean cloth or paper towels. Process: sprinkle cornstarch over the droppings. Let it settle down for a few hours. Gently scoop up the droppings using a clean cloth or paper towel. Dispose of the material in a sealed bag. Method 8. Alcohol-based disinfectant. An alcohol-based disinfectant can effectively sanitize the affected area. Supplies needed: isopropyl alcohol, clean cloth or paper towels. Process: dampen a clean cloth or paper towel with isopropyl alcohol. Gently blot the affected area to disinfect and clean. Allow the area to air dry. Method 9. Commercial carpet cleaner. Using a specialized carpet cleaner designed for pet stains and odors can be effective. Supplies needed: pet stain and odor carpet cleaner, clean cloth or sponge. Process: follow the manufacturer's instructions for the carpet cleaner. Apply the cleaner to the affected area. Gently scrub the area using a clean cloth or sponge. Blot the area with a clean cloth to remove excess moisture. Method 10. Professional cleaning services. In severe cases, consider hiring professional cleaning services to ensure thorough cleaning and sanitation. Supplies needed. Professional cleaning service. Process. Research and contact reputable professional cleaning services. Discuss the extent of the issue in your requirements. Schedule a professional cleaning session. Additional cleaning tips and advice. Safety first, always wear disposable gloves when handling mouse droppings. Proper disposal. Seal used cleaning materials in a plastic bag before disposal. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect your home for signs of mouse activity. Sealing entry points. Seal gaps or cracks to prevent mice from entering. Professional help. Contact a pest control professional for extensive or persistent infestations. Preventive measures. Store food in airtight containers to deter mice. Hygiene maintenance. Clean and disinfect affected areas regularly to prevent future infestations. Educational resources. Stay informed about rodent prevention techniques to minimize future risks. At the point when you encounter undesirable mouse droppings on your carpet, a speedy and practical response is critical. 10 different collection storage methods provide you with a large number of choices, empowering you to pick the most proper strategy for your particular circumstance. The significance of early mediation and careful sanitation in keeping a spotless and solid living space can't be overemphasized. Whether you decide to take a DIY tour or enroll in proficient assistance, this comprehensive guide gives you a scope of strong choices. Every strategy allows you to dispose of unsightly mouse droppings. In this way, keeping your carpet perfect and new once more. By making sensible decisions and taking on the suggested methods, you will ensure that your current circumstance is welcoming and liberated from the undesirable presence of these pests.